Moving on, French development finance institution Proparco has announced a new investment in the Kipeto Wind Farm to expand clean energy generation. The investment involves installation of 18 additional turbines to boost Kipeto Wind Farm electricity generation.
Mwea was lagging in water coverage, both for domestic and irrigation. This is why in this current financial year, we have allocated for phase 1, 100 million shillings for the expansion of water in Mwea sub-county. We have already implemented over 200 water projects across the county, raising the number of active water projects from 170 in 2017 to 370 currently, and extending safe and reliable water to over 100,000 households.